This is the top 20 terrifying moments of the 2018 Kilauea Lower East Rift Zone eruption caught on camera by the U.S. Geological Survey. Fissure 3, Kapoho Street, Leilani Estates on the 4th of May 2018. Number 19. Palm trees and lava fountains on the 5th of May 2018. Number 18. Fissure cuts across the road. On the 8th of May 2018, Fissure 13 cuts across Leilani Street. The lava fountains in this fissure are anywhere from 10 to 30 feet in height. Number 17. Epic blowouts. Here you can see intermittent jetting on Fissure 17 in 3 different locations, ejecting lava bombs as high as 500 feet into the air. You can see the nearby houses for comparison. Number 16. Kaboom! Fissure 17 explosion sends lava 500 feet into the air, followed with a loud explosion. Number 15. Welcome to Hell. On the 19th of May 2018, multiple lava fountains dance on Fissure 20, surrounded by numerous lava flows, along with loud booms in this hellish landscape. Number 14. Cruising the fiery river. This time-lapse shows lava boulders or lava boats floating down a wide river of lava. It kind of looks like cars on a highway. Number 13. A ribbon of hot red liquid fire. This drone footage, captured by the U.S. Geological Survey on the 22nd of May 2018 of Fissure 22, captures a winding 3-mile-long river of lava that goes as far as the eye can see. Number 12. The blue flames of methane. Rotting vegetation underneath creates methane, and the heat from the lava ignites the methane, creating these beautiful blue flames. However, don't let this fool you, because those blue flames are very dangerous. Trapped methane can cause explosions. Number 11. Trapped by lava, a daring rescue. This drone footage by the U.S. Geological Survey shows a trapped resident being rescued with lava just a stone throw away. In the evening of the 27th of May 2018, a fast-moving pohoi flow started flowing down Leilani Street, effectively trapping a resident between a fast-moving lava flow and a very thick forest. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see emergency personnel looking for the trapped resident. The trapped resident used his cell phone flashlight to signal the drone above. They instructed him to follow the drone to safety. The emergency personnel finally found the trapped individual and guided him to safety. One of the dangers that lurks in the forest next to an active lava flow are methane explosions. in which trapped methane can ignite underground from the heat of the lava and explode, rupturing the rock at the surface. Thank God this man escaped unharmed. Number 10. Lava-induced whirlwind. When air rises from the heated surface, a slight wind can cause the air to rotate. Number 9. The Lavanado. As a column of hot air rises above the surface of a hot, liquid lava flow, a slight breeze from the side pushes against the column, causing it to rotate. And you can see right here that there's spatter being ejected from the column of fast, rotating air. Number 8. Very wide rivers of lava. This is an aerial view of Fissure 8 on the 14th of July 2018 and was taken by the U.S. Geological Survey. Here you can actually see the lava channel as it gets wider and wider. Some sections of this lava channel was as wide as 400 meters. Here you can actually see where the lava channel is starting to widen out. Number 7. The 8 Miler. A long river of lava starts from Fissure 8 and flows 8 miles all the way to the sea. Number 6. The destruction of Kapoho Bay. On the 3rd of June 2018, lava makes its march towards the sea. Kapoho Bay, which is what you see right here, and the communities surrounding it are in its path. Lava finally reaches the sea on the next day and eventually fills up the bay. Number 5. Slippin and Slidin. Here is the lava channel from Fissure 8, and you can see some of the cooler parts of the crust slide down into the molten mass. This is kind of like a model of plate tectonics. And there it goes again, sliding underneath. Number 4. Aim high. Fissure 8 fountains reaching as high as 400 to 500 feet in height. Also a curtain of fire at Fissure 20. Number 3. Too close for comfort.
And so what we're looking at here is a fountain of lava feeding a lava flow that's traveling mainly to the south.
Number 2. Fire and water do not mix. Lava flowing into the ocean creates dangerous conditions such as explosions with the interaction of lava and seawater, creates unstable land, and hydrogen chloride, which turns into hydrochloric acid within the steam plume. Number 1. Nighttime lava fountains.